Wow, fantastic. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Hands. Today we'll be cooking Hakka pork belly with taro. So let's start cooking. Before we go on, if you're new here and you'd like to get new recipe ideas every week, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have more than 300 recipes on our channel to help you with your meal planning. Make yourself at home here. Now we're going to marinate the pork. I have with me over here 280 grams of pork belly, sliced thinly like this. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and also 1 fermented bean curd. Normally they use the red color type, but this is the one that I have in my fridge, so I'm using this. And also 1 tablespoon of the sauce that's inside the bean curd also. So just add them in together, mix them up well. And we will also be adding in 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine. Mix them up really well. Let them marinate for at least an hour in the fridge, and I'll show you the next step. I'll catch you back in a while. Now I'm just going to pan fry the pork belly and add a little bit of color to it. Heat up a pan or wok, add in some oil. We'll pan fry our pork belly now. Keep the marinade, you'll need the marinade for later. For pan frying the pork, try to remove as much marinade as possible to prevent splattering. Smells so good. Just pan fry them for approximately 2 or 3 minutes on each side. You don't have to cook them through, we just need to brown them a little. This will add a lot more fragrance to the dish. Look at how beautiful this is. Looks so delicious on its own right now. I'm frying this over medium to medium low heat. You can do the same too. Look at how beautiful these are. So we remove them from the heat. And after this, we'll proceed to fry our yam. In the same wok, we'll fry our yam. I have with me over here 250 grams of yam, which I've cut into slices like this. So we'll brown them on both sides too. If the wok is a little bit dry, just add in a little bit more oil, it's okay. Now all this little bit of black chard mark is okay, no worries. This is actually left over from the seasoning or the marinade from the pork. It's fine. We just want to add a little bit of flavor to the yam. That's why we are doing this. Once the yam has turned slightly brown, we'll add in a little bit more aromatics into it. I'll be adding 5 grams of sakura prawns, or biohe as they call it in Hokkien. I've rinsed this, just pour them in. Normally people don't add this sakura shrimp in, but I like to add them in because it adds a lot of flavor to this dish. Right, we don't burn them. Turn the heat down to low. We just want to get all the fragrance out. We will be also adding in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Just pour them in. And 6 shallots chopped. Wow, smells really good. Now you can mix them up and fry them up a little bit. You just need to get all the fragrance out. Now we'll dish this out and put them into a steaming bowl and steam this. I will now try to pack everything inside this small bowl. It's very important that you pack everything tightly, so when you serve, it will look so much better. I'll put in a piece of pork first, followed by a yam. Continue to do the same. Basically, the concept of this is to alternate the pork with the yam. Always skin side down first. Pack it as tightly as you can. Now I'm left with 2 more pieces of the yam, which I'll use as a foundation for this. So I'm not going to put this in now. We'll now add the aromatics that we fried just now together with the yam into here. Just spread them up a little bit. This will give this dish an added dimension of taste. Remaining marinade, spread it all over. This dish is going to be so good. Now we'll finally add the last 2 pieces of the yam. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because my bowl is a little bit too small. That's why I'm using this as a base. But if your bowl is big enough, you can just all line up by the sides. Okay, we'll now steam this. I'm using my rice cooker to steam this dish. You can of course steam this over your stove. I will be covering up the dish with another dish so that the water droplets will not drip into the dish and thus dilute the taste. I'll be steaming this for approximately 1 hour 20 minutes to 1.5 hours. I'll see you back in a while. We have been steaming this for 1.5 hours. It should be done. Let's have a look. Remove the cover plate first. It's a little bit hot, so just be very, very careful. Wow, it smells really good. I'll pour the sauce out from here first. Just take a small plate, press it down, and just release the sauce out. Now the reason I'm doing this is because if you were to flip the dish directly, I'm just afraid that it might just get scalded. So now all we have to do is take our serving dish, place it over here, and just give it a quick flip over like this. Turn it down a little, make sure everything goes down. Then we'll remove this. Look at how beautiful this is. Now we'll just pour the sauce over. I blanched some pak choy. I'm just going to put them by the side. And after this, we'll be serving this for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Let's try the pork belly first. Wow, very soft. Oh, super flavorful. This is really good. Let me try the yam. This is really fantastic. I tell you, you really got to try to make this dish. It is really that good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wow, wow, fantastic. Very flavorful. Before you go, consider following us on Facebook and Instagram to know what we are cooking even before they get posted on YouTube. See you there.